Good morning, everyone. It's time for another adventure with Coco. Today, Coco is exploring the open road. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Coco seems fascinated by the steering wheel. Is she planning to take the wheel herself? Oh, what's this? Coco is pressing all the buttons. I hope she doesn't activate the ejector seat. Now, Coco is enjoying the view outside. She loves watching the world go by from the comfort of the car. Look at Coco pretending to be the driver. I guess she's ready for her road trip adventure. Stay tuned for more of Coco's escapades.